if the wallpaper on your iPhone turns black. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now just check if this fixes your issue or not. If this did not work, then just try the next method. For that, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. And in the control center, just check if do not disturb mode, sleep mode, or any other focus mode has been enabled or not. If there is a focus mode enabled, just tap on it to turn it off. Now just check if this fixes your issue or not. As you can see, this fixed our issue. But if this also did not work, then just swipe down from the top left of the screen and open the notifications panel. In the notifications panel, just tap and hold on the empty space and open the wallpaper section. And from here, just swipe up and remove the wallpaper from your iPhone. Now from here, you can either tap on the plus icon and you can go to the Photos app and you can set the photo again as your wallpaper, or you can try any of the other wallpapers available. For example, I will select this one. And from here, just check if this fixes your issue or not. If this also did not work, then this could be a software glitch. For that, just go to Settings and tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on Software Update. And from here, just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. But if this also did not work, then the last thing you can do is just go back and under the General Settings, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset All Settings. Now, by resetting all the settings, you will not delete any data of your iPhone. You will just reset all the settings of your iPhone in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. And this is how you can fix the wallpaper turns black on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.